Hello, welcome to this discussion over the differences between the Trovex Hygipod IPS system and the Trovex Hygipod Safe. To my left here we have the Trovex Hygipod system. It is a IPS system, the very first of its kind in the market, a one hygienic finish across the surface. We then, over the years, worked quite closely with some of our mental health trusts that we began to engage with, and we worked alongside with them to manufacture and design the Hygipod Safe. The key differences, firstly, most obviously, would be in the access hatches. So as opposed to these access hatches having a lip where they close onto the system, as I showed earlier. So you've got the lip here on the standard IPS system. These access hatches are actually flush, so they don't protrude out the surface of the IPS system. Then as we open up this access hatch, you'll see one of the major differences is this bracketry system that we manufacture. So firstly, this bracket system prevents anything being pushed further beyond the depth of the IPS panel, very much minimising the risk of a ligature point being created. On all Hygipod Safe units, we will only use the anti-pick lock, so they are a star key system. They can't be picked, whereas our typical system is a square key, which would normally be used in acute healthcare. So that's the key difference between those two. This system here also means that you can't leave a key in the IPS system. So once it's unlocked, that key will not come out until it's locked again. Now, the sanitaryware that we supply with those Hygipod Safe systems, we work with a number of different suppliers to provide whatever the trust require, so that you've got an all-in-one inclusive package from Trovex. So that's an overview of the two systems. I trust it's been informative, and if you have any questions, reach out. Thank you.